Okay, so just to help us do this again, I've drawn the clock on this laminated paper, and to help us get the answers. So you can do this as well. You can draw it on a paper. Remember I showed you how to do your clocks last term. You draw the 12 and the 6 and then the 3 and the 9, and then you fill in the rest of the numbers. You can ask someone to help you. Okay, so please do that for me, and then we're going to be looking at answering questions like this. Okay, so I want you to pause the video every time we do a question and try and see if you can answer it the right way. Okay, or give the right answer before I give it. So if I say 1 hour, 1 hour is how many minutes? 1 hour is how many minutes? It is 60 minutes, right? Because I told you that it's the same thing. If I say a half an hour is 30 minutes. It means the same thing. Okay, 30 minutes is a half an hour. 60 minutes is an hour. Okay, so let's get to the little bit of a more difficult one. So before we get to these ones, let's just talk a little bit about time, right? So remember, time passes throughout the whole day. So when the whole day is done, the long hand has moved and the short hand has moved around the clock. Okay, so in the morning when you wake up, some of you maybe wake up at 6 o'clock, when the long hand's by the 12 and the short hand's by the 6. Okay, and you get done and you eat breakfast and then you come to school, and then school starts at 8 o'clock. So you have the long hand there by the 12, and then the short hand by the 8. That is 8 o'clock. Okay. After 8 o'clock, we do some schoolwork, and then we have 2 breaks, right? We have 2 breaks, and then I'm not going to discuss the breaks now, but then after the breaks, we have home time. And what time is home time? Home time is at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So that would be where the long hand is there and the short hand is there. So what can you tell me from the 8 o'clock, okay, to the 2 o'clock till school closes or ends? So the long hand moved all the way from the 8, and it jumped and it jumped and it moved and it moved all the way until the 2. So remember that it was here at the 8. Okay, it's not writing so nicely. Let's try another one. Okay, short hand, it moved from the 8 all the way to the 2. Okay, but remember the minute hand kept moving right around all the way. So let's count how many hours it took for the short hand to move all the way to 2 o'clock. Okay, so we started, let's say it was 8 o'clock in the morning, and then it moved from 8 o'clock, then it was 9 o'clock, that's 1 hour, 10 o'clock, 2 hours, 11 o'clock, 3 hours, 12 o'clock, 4 hours, 1 o'clock, 5 hours, and then all the way to 2 o'clock, 6 hours. So from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock is 6 hours, because that's how it moves when we count in our short hands. Okay, Oh, now it's not coming off. Okay, it's fine. We'll just work around it, or imagine it's not there. So we have here, at 10 o'clock we played for an hour. So at 10 o'clock we played for an hour. How long is an hour? 60 minutes, which means the long end goes right around. Okay, and then I'm asking you the question, what is the time now? Okay, so I'm actually just going to, I'm gonna stop the video now, and I'm gonna just clean this so that I can explain it better to you.